Programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
This is a certified hood classic.
Wait, your bigger stickers? Here's of this. Bigger stickers?
Obesity is a self-induced disease. In fact, it's a made-up disease because no one is born obese and no one must remain obese. We should not glamorize obesity. It's not healthy, it's not good for your internal organs, it's not good for your joints, and it shortens your lifespan. Stop making excuses or blaming your genetics. It's not your genetics, it's your lifestyle. If you think you're hungry, but you're not hungry enough to eat pure protein, such as beef, chicken, or fish, you're not fucking hungry. You're bored, emotional, or just having a craving. Every time you give in to your cravings and say yes to your inner bitch, you're only trading short-term pleasure for long-term pain. Most people will agree that the most important thing in life is family. But if you're fat and metabolically sick, every day that goes by that you refuse to change your lifestyle, you're choosing your food over your family. That's selfish. And lastly, this is not a fat-shaming post. This is a self-help post with brutal honesty. Your health is a personal responsibility. The day you hold yourself accountable for the food you eat and your activity level will be the day you
You're the one who's going to learn a lesson. People aren't going to be happy if you kill me. Blять, ёбаный!
I've never been popular. I don't mean to start now.
All righty then, fam. Welcome to another episode of the Angry Filipino Series. Episode number 112 for the fam out there. And if you don't know now, you know, your boy is also known as the untouchable, the unfireable, and absolutely known as the unstoppable. And y'all already know by now, fam. I know you watching this on YouTube right about now in the break room, while you see me watching cultural stuff. And before you go and tell the store manager what I do in the break room during my lunchtime, I got something to say to you, fam. And that is that when my hand goes up, you shut the fuck up. Now, as you know by now, the Angry Filipino is obviously sponsored by angryfilipino.com, where you get to see me cosplay as characters that is highly palatable. Well, cringe palatable, that is, because as you know by now, you already know your boy did cosplay as the husband. He did cosplay as Osana Najimi. And obviously, he did cosplay as Venti from Genshin Impact. But you know what is the best part about the angryfilipino.com website? You get to look at pictures of me drinking beer, so that you can show to the store manager what I do during my off days when I'm not selling tools to those jabronis out there. But before I begin this episode, I want to let you guys know this. Oh, Angry Filipino, you don't look too angry to me. Really now, fam? Does getting angry with some entitled little kid who works, who should not be bossing your boy around, telling me what to do, mean anything to you, because y'all already know you gotta respect your elders here, fam. And of course, you gotta deal with those type of people out there, entitled little shit crickets, who get me on that fire sauce. Y'all already know I love my fire sauce. Extra spicy. Put that shit on your barbecue chicken. Because as you know by now, it's the bomb dot kism. Sheesh. So yeah, your boy's been kind of up to something recently, fam. Now, it's been a while since your boy actually got a chance to watch some of his favorite animes. I know that currently right now they got season 2 of Spy X Family, which features the waifu herself, your fortune, which I already did episode 95 already on that. But there's this one anime that your boy has been highly interested in watching so far. And that anime is called Chainsaw Man. Now, what exactly is Chainsaw Man? It's just some guy who, and his, little chainsaw dog. And then, like, the guy, well, I can't really spoil about it. But the fact of the matter is that, like, you know, it is, uber gory anime, and every time they have like every episode is like someone actually dying and shit though. Especially episode 9, where that red-haired, yellow-eyed woman kills a bunch of people like it was Blade Runner. And of course, I know what you're thinking here, Korean pastor. You're gonna text message your boy while you're watching the Angry Filipino series? Oh no, fam. It actually did happen, fam. But the best part about that anime is the fact that there was one waifu always crying out like she was part of the Kansas City Royals Waterworks at Kauffman Stadium. Every time she sees some sort of monster in a hotel room. But, all in all, I mean, I definitely gotta watch the, I mean, if you haven't watched the anime yet, please watch it. Watch it moderately. I mean, don't let your kids watch freaking ass Chainsaw Man while you're in school doing things. I would probably rather watch it at home myself in the bedroom, and I wouldn't let my folks watch that anime either, because it's crazy as fuck. I mean, batshit crazy as fuck. But, I mean, I guess, that's about it for you for today. And, I mean, like, it's still going on right now as we speak here. I mean, it's still going on, and I'm trying really, really, really hard not to try to spoil the anime or anything like that. Because, I mean, if you guys want to watch the anime, watch it yourself, fam. I'm not going to tell you what happened and all that other shit that goes on. And there's all the endings and, like, the opening that does not, that you refuse to skip because it's really catchy. And at the end, when Denji and Power dance around doing the hot dog dance from the Mickey Mouse Club. But, yeah, I think that's about it for you boy today. Tell me what do you think. Like and comment down below, fam. And, of course, all my social media and shit like that will be down at the description down below or at the end when Sho'nuff tells Batman to kiss my Converse. And, of course, if this is the first time you're watching the best, the Angry Filipino Series, all you gotta do right now is go down to the bottom side down below, click on the subscribe button, and absolutely Claymore kick the fucking bell, big dog. But with that in mind, your boy is outski. Yeet!
Emotional, damn it!
The train. I'm sure that little sheep boy likes trains. Bah! Ha ha!
Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest 7-Eleven is?
Yeah, coolie. Kiss my Converse.
Good night and go fuck yourself.